On any typical day, most of us access the internet to enhance our lives. In schools, educators are quickly incorporating digital learning into classroom instruction because they understand the power of these resources. Sadly, some Imperial County residents still do not have adequate connectivity. A recent study shows that roughly 7 in 10 teachers assign homework that requires access to the internet. This often creates an unintended digital divide or homework gap between students who have adequate off-campus access and students who do not. Imperial County Office of Education's BorderLink project is closing the gap and ensuring that our students have the access they need to compete. Over the last year, ICOE has built a county-wide wireless infrastructure connecting 10 of our local communities. Now, ICOE is working with local school districts to deploy devices to students. For example, Heber Elementary School District is targeting their 6th graders to help prepare them for junior high. Central Union High School District is working with Desert Oasis students to assist them in graduating and preparing for college and career opportunities. Districts are also beginning to equip their school buses with Wi-Fi, making the students' commute more productive. In addition to K-12 access, BorderLink has partnered with Imperial Valley College and local community organizations to spread the benefits of this new infrastructure. ICOE has equipped the Boys and Girls Club of Imperial Valley's Teen Center with internet connectivity, giving students a safe place to complete their assignments. BorderLink has also partnered with IVC's CalWorks program to provide devices to students who do not have adequate access at home. Additionally, ICOE is working with public libraries and the Brawley Senior Community Center. Another exciting project on the horizon is the collaboration with U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Imperial Valley Housing Authority to provide connectivity to students living in their housing complexes. When we connect a household, the entire family is empowered. BorderLink is Imperial County's response to the growing homework gap, helping to meet the needs of our schools and students. We expect to close the homework gap and accomplish so much more as we focus on improving the quality of life in our community and making Imperial County an ideal place to live, learn, and work.